What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do the Harry Potter Hogwarts Polyjuice Potion Mistake, set number 76386. It has 217 pieces, and as you can see, it does have the golden Harry Potter anniversary figure, as well as it looks like it will have the Hermione cat head to go along with it, and good look at the back. And you have the turnable faces for the Polyjuice, as well as the collectible cards. You get 2 tiles in this pack, so we'll see which ones we get today. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and rip it open. Alright, so there we have it. We have the golden Harry Potter minifigure. 20 years of Lego Harry Potter. The first golden figure I'm adding to my collection. And then of course we have the nice little Polyjuice potion. The girls' bathroom, you know, where they originally drank it. Look at the back. Pretty standard building design. Then of course it does have the Technic pieces, so you can connect it to the other sets. But yeah, this is a nice little easy build. Oh, and then also for our 2 tile pieces, it looks like we did get 2 of the Olympe Maxine. I didn't realize we were going to get 2 of the same exact one in one box, but yeah, apparently that can happen. So let me know what you guys got. Tell me if you have the whole collection of all of these or not. And till next time, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and have a wonderful night out there.